So dear students, today class is 10th class mathematics. So what one today topic? Irrational number. What one here? The number cannot express in the form of p by q are called irrational number. You know already. The numbers can express in the form of p by q are called the rational numbers. The number cannot express in the form of p by q are called irrational number. Example: root 5, root 3, root 2, like that. So exam first question, show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. What the question? 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. What solution? Let us assume that what one 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. So first what we can take the assume and reverse. What one 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. Here we take a comma b are the co-primes. B not equal to 0. So 5 minus what one here? Take here a comma b are rational numbers. What one? These are the rational numbers. What so? We take a comma b are the rational numbers and 5 minus root 3 is equal to a by b. So a comma b are the co-primes and b not equal to 0 such that 5 minus root 3 is equal to a by b. So we take the root 3 is equal to outside, right side. We take the a by b left side. So 5 minus a by b is equal to root 3. So what the here there? What one 5 minus a by b is equal to root 3. What one 5 minus a by b is equal to root 3. Here 5 is the, so a comma b are the rational numbers and 5 also rational number. So what one according to our assumption root 3 also rational, but this contradicts fact that root 3 is irrational number. So our assumption is the wrong, is false. That's why 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. What one here? What the question and solution? 5 minus a by b is equal to root 3. Here a is the rational number, b also rational number, 5 also rational number. So according to our assumption, what assumption is there? We already assumption first 5 minus root 3 is the rational number. So that assumption root 3 also rational number, but this is not a correct. So actually the fact is root 3 is the irrational number. So that's why 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So this way we can show the 5 minus root 3 is a irrational number. So exercise 1.4 show that 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. What given? 1 by root 2. Here let 1 by root 2 is rational number. Let means what assumption? Assume 1 by root 2 is a rational number. 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b. A comma b are the co-primes. B not equal to 0. So what one do? Cross multiplication. Then b is equal to a into 2. What one? A into root 2. B is equal to a into root 2. Here a comma b are the rational numbers. So according to assumption, root 2 also rational number, but this is not a fact. Contradicts. It is a wrong assumption. So what one here? So a comma b are the rational numbers. So according to our assumption, root 2 is rational number, but this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational number. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is irrational number. So a comma b are the rational numbers. What is there? B is equal to a into root 2. Means both are equal. LHS or RHS. So according to the assumption, yeah, a is the already a is rational number, b also rational number. So what according to the assumption, root 2 also rational number, but this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational number. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is irrational number. So this way, in this way we can show the also rational numbers and irrational numbers. So second question, show that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. This is the, here in this question, two numbers are root values. This is the root 3 and root 5. Both are the irrational only root values. Show that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. So let us, what one? Let assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. So root 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. A comma b are rational numbers and also they are the co-primes. And b not equal to 0. What one? Here b not equal to 0. There, see, root 3 is equal, here take root 5 is equal outside. And it become root 3 is equal to a by b minus root 5. What one? Root 3 is equal to a by b minus root 5. Next, squaring of both sides. Root 3 whole square is equal, this is the a plus a minus whole square formula. What one? A minus whole square means what one formula? A minus whole square is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a by b is the a value, root 5 is the b value. So what one? 3 is equal a square by b square means a square 2ab. 2 into a means a by b, b means root 5 plus b square means root 5 whole square. Square root which will cancel. So what one? 3 is equal a square by b square minus 2a into root 5 by b plus 5. So what plus 5 you take left side is equal left side. 3 minus 5 is equal a square by b square minus what one? 2 into a root 2. What one? 2a into root 2. 2a into this is into root 5. 2a into root 5 by b. So what one here? Minus 2 is equal to a square by b square minus 2 a into root 2. 2a into root 2 by b. So here minus is there. Take minus common. 2 is equal to minus common 2a. So what one? 2 into a root 5 by b minus a square by b square. Here 2 is the rational number, a is the rational number, and b also rational number. So then our assumption a comma b and 2 are rational numbers. So according to our assumption 2 root 2 by b also rational number, but this is not a correct. So what one? A comma b are rational numbers, 2 also rational number. Here according to our contradiction assumption 2a into root 5b also rational number, but this contradicts the fact that root 2a into root 5 by b is irrational number. Any root 5, root 3, root 2, that place all are the irrational numbers only. That's why root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. So try this one. Prove that the following are irrational numbers. So third question in exercise 1.4, 6 plus root 2, next to root 5, next to 3 plus 2 root 5, and the second question root p plus root q. So these are the same method. You can done. If you have any doubts, ask me, I will clear you. So some laws of exponents. First one, a power m into a power n is equal to a to power of m plus n. Part 1. Example, a power 1, a power 2, a power up to m terms. A power 1, 2, 3 up to n terms. What one here? A power m into a power m is equal to a power m plus n. Next one. A by b whole power m. What one? A power m into b power m. Next one, third one. A by b whole power m is equal a power m. What here? A by b. A by b is the part of fraction. A is the and b also both are the rational numbers. So what one? A by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Fourth one, a power m whole power n is equal to what one? A power m into n. A power m into n. Next one, a power 0 is equal to 1. So something power 0 means its value is equal to 1. What one? Something power 0 is equal to 1. Next one, sixth one, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m means what one? Any exponent in the minus, any exponent in the form of minus, it will goes to the denominator. What one? A to power of minus m is equal 1 by a power m. These are some exponents. First one is the a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A by whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. A by whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. A power 0 means is equal to 1 only. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. These are the some exponential laws. For example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 is equal to what? 2 power root 3 plus 4. So is equal to 2 power 7. What formula? Since this is the a power m into a power n formula, is equal to a power m plus n. This is the formula. So according to this formula, a power m into a power n is equal a to the power of m plus n. So this is the formula. Answer is 2 power 7. Second example. Example 10 power 0 is equal to 1 only. Something power 0 1 only. Next one. 2 by 3 whole power 4 means what one? 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. What the formula here? A by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Next one. 2 into 3 whole power 2 means what one? Is equal to 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. What the formula? A b whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. This is example of the sum loss. So next one, 1 by 3 power minus 2. So what is formula? 1 by a power minus m is equal 1 by 3 power minus 2 is equal to what one? 1 by 3 power 2. What the formula? M a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m. This is the formula. So these are some of the examples. Now some sums are given. I will give you some homework sums. Next what example? Simple thing. Expand or express. What one? Express 1000 in exponent form. What one? Exponential form. In exponential form. What 1000 means? Now divide by 10. 10 100 ja. What one? 10 1 ja 10. So this is in the what one? 10 power 3. 10 power 3 is means 10 power 3 means what one? 10 into 10 to 10. 10 into 10 into 10 means what? This is the called what one? So 10 was 10 only. Exponential form of the 1000. So like that 8, 64, any number we change it expression to the exponential form. So do these problems. 1, 2 power 1, 2, 4.7 whole power 0, third one, 0 power 3, fourth one, minus 1 whole power 4, fifth one, 0.25 whole power minus 1, sixth one, 5 by 4 whole power 2, seventh one, 1 by 4 whole power 2. These are the part change exponential forms. Next one, express in exponential form 16 into 64 and in the shortcut form also. Second one, 25 into 125, 128 by 32, 100 and 10,000. These are the do these problems.